See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
My people, here our minister of power, apologizing to us about the darkness we are facing. Hear him.
Coming from me as Minister of Power, that for this temporary issue that is leading to hardship being experienced, especially during this dry season, where there is so much heat everywhere, where businesses are also being affected, where schools have been affected, where industries have been affected. It is not our wish to find ourselves in this situation, but it's some factors that's actually beyond our control. And we are not relenting. We are working on it 24/7 to make sure that we go back to the trend, to the trajectory of 2025, whereby you praised us, whereby you commended us for a good job well done. And we can imagine if we could provide such service in 2025, this is 2026, this is when we'll be willing to even do more, to even do better as we are close to the election year. So, except that we cannot help it, that's why we find ourselves here. But I can assure you that in the next
weeks, you can hear our minister apologizing for the darkness we are facing and the heat within Nigeria no get to. This heat now from hell. How can you be in heat? No light. And salary is so poor. When you are paying even road safety, policemen, civil defense, you are paying them 120,000. With their 120,000 and petrol is 1,400. That means with a policeman, civil defense, road safety salary, custom, they can only afford to buy with their entire salary. They can only afford to buy 85 liters a month with their entire salary. Children can't sleep at night. Wife too, they pour water for body. Pour water, pour water, pour water. Can you tell me that hell will even be more difficult than this country? Because this is Nigeria is like living in hell. Is hell on earth. My friend, Mr. Penkelemes, you are my friend. We chat sometimes. I feel sorry for you. But apology alone will not do it. Apology alone will not do this. President too must come and apologize. And I pray you give us the light into